Hi, this is ITR Tech Support with another video tutorial. We're going to show you how to attend a video meeting, how to get into it. Several ways we can do that. There's this on air now, they're for live meetings that are actually active at this moment. Upcoming video meetings on the right hand side here. Or the way I like to do it is go up to where it says video meetings at the top and click. Now remember, we set our time zone in the previous tutorial and all the times are showing here as they would do for England time. Oh, there's one active because it's highlighted in red. I just go to the time that I want to go to and I click on it. It sets the browser up.
About this phase of our development, we will be amazed before we are halfway through. We are going to know a new freedom and a new happiness. We will not regret the past nor wish to shut the door on it. We will comprehend the word serenity and we will know peace. No matter how far down the scale we have gone, we will.
And that's basically attending a video meeting.